What's up everybody, this is Corey with Devout Family Living, and today we're going to give you a short how-to video on how to change your blade on your Makita edger. Alright everybody, so today we're going to be working specifically with the Makita edger. Model number on this one is going to be EE400MP. However, these instructions are probably general for most edgers, because they're all pretty much generally the same. Some of the tools that you're actually going to need, if you have the actual tool that locks the blade in, grab that obviously. If you don't have that like I don't, then a flathead screwdriver works for this specific application. You'll obviously need a new blade. You're going to need a 17mm socket, and the Makita impact gun is optional. You can always use a hand wrench as well. Alright, so on the Makita specifically, you've got a little notch here on your blade that rotates with your blade, and behind that, I don't know if you can see this here, there is going to be a little hole in the shaft behind that you can actually stick your screwdriver in, lock that blade in place so it doesn't move. Grab your 17mm socket. Just remember, this is a reverse thread, so you're going to want to make sure you put it, if you got an impact gun, make sure you put it in the forward position to loosen it and the reverse position to tighten it. So just peel that off. Take that nut off. Take the collar off here. Pop that blade out. This blade really doesn't need to be changed yet. It's actually still looks pretty good, but we're going to change it anyways. I got plenty of blades around and they're actually not too expensive, so go ahead and put your blade back on there, put your collar back on there, and again, this is a reverse thread, so you'll spin it the opposite way to tighten it. Line those little holes up, stick your tool, or in my case your screwdriver, in there. Put this in the reverse position and tighten her up, and that's pretty much it. So I know that's a super short video, but truthfully, there really isn't that much to it. I hope my instructions were clear. If you have any questions, however, you can comment down below, and I'll be happy to answer them as soon as I can. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and have a great day.